Welcome back to Will's Wheelhouse. Today we're going to be working on a '05 Chevy Suburban, replacing the wheel bearings. First off, we're going to be removing the wheel after we've jacked up the vehicle and secured it. Lug nuts. So now we're going to remove the axle nut. Turn off. Then you're going to remove the washer. And now we're going to remove the brake caliper. And you're going to have a bolt here and down here. And these are T55s. Next, we're going to remove the caliper bracket, which there is a bolt here and here. Now you can remove the brake rotor. And then you'll need to get the axle shaft loosened through the hub. Next, we're going to remove the bolts that hold the hub assembly on. There are 3 of them. They're 15 millimeter. There's one right here, one right there, and one right here. After that, we'll remove the ABS sensor wire. Connects right there. Now we have the wheel bearing out. We need to clean this mating surface here and right in here where all this rust is. And it wouldn't hurt to clean the threads on or the splines on the axle. Now, after you've cleaned all this assembly, go ahead and put some anti-seize where the bearing assembly attaches, inside where the bearing assembly rests, and on the splines of the axle. Alright, so now we got the new hub assembly bolted back in. Your 3 15 millimeter bolts on the back side have been thread locked and torqued to spec. Right there. We have the ABS wiring reattached to the mounting points and reconnected. Next, spindle nut and washer. Next, we reinstall the rotor, the brake caliper bracket, and the brake caliper. Now we have the brake caliper bracket, the brake caliper bolted back on. Alright, we have completed the wheel hub assembly replacement. First, we jacked the vehicle up, we secured it with jack stands, removed the wheel, that was a 22 millimeter lug nut. We removed the brake caliper. That was a T55 CHOCKS. up here and down here. On the back side, we had the brake caliper brackets, bolts. We had the hub nut, which was a 36 millimeter. We did the wiring back to factory. Next is to do the other side. Thanks for watching.